Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Google Assistant. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open our Google application on our phone. Then after the Google application has been opened, we can tap on our profile button right here on the top right corner of our screen. Then tap on the settings option. And on the settings option, we have to select the Google Assistant setting. This one. And since we want to change the language of our Google Assistant, we can tap on the languages setting. Then here you can choose languages for speaking to your assistant, and as you can see that here I'm using the English language and I'm going to change it, so we can tap on this option and I'm going to change from English to Indonesia language. Tap on Indonesia. Now as you can see that the language has been changed. And I guess that's how we can change language on Google Assistant. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.